Operators make mistakes due to a lack of training or improper work instructions. These are some of the recommended best practices to implement. Provide continuous training and skill development. Use clear, visual work instructions. Implement error-proofing, poka-yoke systems to minimize mistakes. 1. Provide continuous training and skill development. Developing a structured training program. Implement onboarding training for new operators covering SOPs, safety, and quality standards. Provide hands-on, role-specific training with experienced mentors. Use e-learning modules, videos, and quizzes to reinforce learning. Ongoing skill development. Conduct regular refresher training sessions every 3 to 6 months. Implement a skill matrix to track competency levels and identify gaps. Offer cross-training opportunities to improve workforce flexibility. Another best practice is performance monitoring and coaching. Use real-time feedback and coaching to correct errors immediately. Conduct periodic skills assessments and provide targeted training. Recognize and reward operators who demonstrate high skill proficiency. 2. Use clear, visual work instructions. Creating effective work instructions. Develop step-by-step visual standard operating procedures with images, diagrams, and videos. Standardize work instructions using color coding and symbols for clarity. Ensure all SOPs are available at workstations for easy reference. Enhancing accessibility and understanding. Translate work instructions into multiple languages if needed. Use augmented reality or digital work instructions for interactive guidance. Conduct regular operator feedback sessions to refine instructions. 3. Implementing error-proofing systems is another best practice recommendation. Types of error-proofing techniques. Physical poka-yoke. Use fixtures, jigs, or automated stops to prevent incorrect assembly. Visual poka-yoke. Implement color coding, warning labels, or light indicators for errors. Electronic poka-yoke. Use sensors, barcode scanners, or machine interlocks to detect mistakes. Integration into daily operations. Design processes to eliminate the possibility of incorrect actions. Conduct root cause analysis on recurring mistakes to enhance poka-yoke solutions. Encourage employees to suggest improvements for error-proofing measures. The suggested best practices can only be effective when it is implemented, managed, and controlled. Please have a look at the next causes for scrap generation in the following videos. You may also like, subscribe, and send us a comment if you would want to add value to the channel or become part of the OPIX Coach ecosystem.